This is Lakshma Reddy. We are a very small organization, Synthokem Labs, and we started using the boiler with the furnace oil since 95 onwards, and this is continued up to 2005-2007.
Why did you start using furnace oil?
And because of this area geographical where we located, using of coal gives some sulfur dioxide emissions and dust emissions. Is not advisable to use in a area like this commercially thickly populated area.
Right.
So that is the reason we converted coal fire to furnace oil, which is more eco-friendly rather in terms of emissions.
Okay.
Major is concerned in sulfur dioxide. That's a major. These two things we have taken into senior concern. We want to be environment friendly. Then we converted into coal fire boiler to furnace oil boiler. Okay, when we started it, everything is fine, and the crude prices and company logistics are well controlled. Once the crude prices gone up like anything, and in particular on 2006 onwards, the prices are very invariably going. And when we realized the balance sheet of logistics of the my company, and most of the money we are spending onto furnace oil, which is used for a feedback for a boiler, then we internally thirst for a change, how to save the company or some amount of losses, how can be recovered in a immediate scenario. Then we internally discussed and we got some innovative idea of raising the temperature of the boiler feed water. Generally the feed water temperature, ambient temperature around 25 to 30 degrees. And by using a kind of solar energy, if we can raise the temperature 10 to or 50 degrees plus or whatever it may be, then ambient, some amount we can save. That is the initial idea what we felt inside. Then we called number of related industry people, the solar system suppliers, and everyone will have their own commercial aspects of the things. But we realized there is some benefit out of this and some saving in terms of the company or some terms of nation or some kind of natural resource. We can save some kind of thing. Then finally we decided this is a work in the market. We can give reliable, we can supply some minimum guarantee energy transfer solar system. Then finally we decided Photonic company. They are doing it. They promised around 75 degrees of the feed water temperature. The initial their design or concept, but we are not that low. Okay, some 20 or 25 degrees or anything 15 degrees plus is okay for us to begin with. Like that we started this and we installed one system. Basically we require 15,000 liters per day for our steam consumption for the entire plant. So as of now, in immediate phase, we cannot accumulate 15,000 liters total consumption. We started at pilot level, then we placed a 5,000 liters capacity solar system. Then we installed and we saw the difference immediately. There is a remarkable difference. The 25 to 30 degrees of delta T. So the ambient 25 to, you can say, 55 to 60 degrees we achieve.
Wow.
So that is we felt okay. To convert water to steam, it requires 100 degrees. That is impossible to achieve. But what is possible to achieve, that at least we can achieve.
Yep.
Then that is we make a stabilization system. The first system we worked for about 6 months, and the value, the amount recovery, and the payback, all these things we calculated for 6 months. And we realized the savings in the first 1 year. There is a remarkable recovery of 16 to 20% condensate recovery. So this we calculated into per kg production, all those things. So initially our per kg production converts 1 liter of the thing. It has come down to 0.8. So that is also one of the save. And when we install the group, we used to buy the furnace oil around 32 rupees. So that is a very huge amount.
Yes.
Once we stabilize and we see the figures, it's gone. Okay, basically it has come down to up to 70 to 18 rupees. Now it has gone up. And all the values, when we consider, it is a really energy saving aspect. And this 5,000 liters, which works only 8 hours operation. So because of the installation space availability, we could locate one more system of 5,000 liters.
So that is
10,000. My requirement is 12 to 14,000 per day. So at least we can allocate about 80% of the requirement. So that we thought of, and we installed one more system. So by using both system per annum, around 16 to 20% energy we could recover.
And what is the payback?
Yeah, it's a payback is only 1 year to 12 months to 16 months. You can say 16 months you can say.
And did you get any warranty from the manufacturer in terms of support?
He has given 1 year warranty, but we need only one system, and out of that one piece was broken. That he was one tube was broken. And because as an industry we can maintain in a good way, because the feed water is very important for the tubes.
Yes.
Because if you use a raw water which is having a high TDS, high hardness, because the tubes will get scale, and the heat transfer
will
lower. Because of our industry, we need some specific requirement of the boiler. We need to maintain 20 ppm of the TDS.
Okay.
So there is a 20 ppm is as good as you can say as a mineral water.
Yes.
So that water we are feeding to our boiler. Then we never face any tube choking.
And the tanks are okay also. The tanks are okay.
Tanks are insulated. Okay. We don't want to lose any energy whatever converted, and everything we got insulated. Because outside environment is something different than inside. The energy what is converted into, because any outside environment is at 40 degrees, in the peak summer it is at 40 degrees.
Yes.
But